all the Toy Story and the South Park. In total, this was like $6 shipped. Everything you see here. What's interesting is that the Toy Story was individually wrapped as if it was meant to be part of a prize or sold separately. I wish they had just produced them in such a way instead of unnecessary. I mean, just to show you this value of this, how expressive it's So now we have Toy Story. This is also from AliExpress for a really great price. AliExpress is excellent for those super small yet detailed figurines. This one, every figurine actually comes pre-packaged, which is bananas. It's like were we supposed to sell these? Because these were all for us. You didn't have to pre-package them. Alright, let's start off with Rex. Look at Rex, and he moved. That is super cool. So Rex. So next we have the horse. We have the duck. Ah, I see all these guys. Their necks move. That is super cool. His is super really but very cool. We also have this piggy here. It's got the slit because it's a piggy bank. I like that. Oh, look at Buzz Lightyear. There's my boy Buzz. So okay. Oh, it would have been so cool if it moved to the side. It doesn't, but it's still very nice, right? Still very cool. Alright. Now we have... Oh, we've got the bear. We've got Freddy Fazbear. The original. Look at this. Freddy Fazbear. This guy is like the Halloween special, but the day after Halloween. Oh, that is super cool. Alright, next we have a penguin. Penguin's Barbie or Farmer Chick. That is actually really creepy. I like. We'll have to play with where everybody goes. But, we have. I guess the boy equivalent. It's still a little different. There. You get Spoon. You get. Spoonie or Forky, whoever. I remember when this toy came out, he was such a huge hit. This guy, Sporky, Push-Ups. Oh, we get the cowgirl. We got a blue rabbit. I don't remember this guy at all. But I'll the end. We have a little cute girl. Alright, I don't remember what Toy Story this is. It's probably one of the most recognizable in here. Cool. And in true fashion, the best for last. We've got Woody. Check it out, we got Woody saving the best for last. Alright, so let me clear out all of this plastic. So yeah, this is it. This is all the Toy Story and the South Park. In total, this was like $6 shipped. Everything you see here. What's interesting is that the Toy Story was individually wrapped as if it was meant to be part of a prize or sold separately. I wish they had it because it just produced a bunch of waste that was unnecessary. But I mean, just goes to show you just the value of AliExpress. AliExpress is out here with that value and maybe quality as well. My son's gonna be like this. He's at a birthday party right now. As soon as he gets back, I'm gonna be like, hey, go check out my desk. But he's gonna get here. He's gonna be, oh wow! Oh wow! And I'm gonna be like, yeah, buddy. And he's gonna be like, Dad, did you really review this so that I can tear it apart and use it all over the house? And I'm gonna be like, yeah, I did, buddy. He's gonna be like, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.